Now today I discuss about the new topic rainwater harvesting. First of all we discuss about the definition of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is just simply a process or technique by which we collect or we store the rainwater into the underground before reaching the aquifer or water bearing strata. And let us see the definition. It is the process or technique to store the rainwater inside the tank or underground tank before reaching the rainwater into the aquifer or water bearing strata. Now the elements which are generally used in the rainwater harvesting system, these are all. First of all, catchment area. Catchment area is shown in this figure here. That is the catchment area where the water firstly strike to that portion. Next, eaves. These eaves also situated there. These known as eaves. Along the eaves, water travel. After catchment area, water travel along the eaves. Next, collection pipe. These are the collection pipe mentioned in the figure. Next, screens. Screens situated here to remove the floating material, dust and leaves also. Next, conveyance pipe. These also are the conveyance pipe. Next, conveyance pipe or transmission pipe also. Next, underground water or storage tank. This is underground water tank or storage tank. Now, to use that water for the different purposes, to gardening and to plantation and for different use of different daily uses. Now, next is the benefit of this technique. Benefit of this technique, first of all, to use the rainwater means the purest rainwater is the purest form of water. Next, to recharge the ground. Third point, to lower down the meter cost and water expenses, we can say, or water cost. Next point, to improve the quality and quantity of water both. We can improve the quality and quantity of water both. Next, to use the water in drought period means अब किसी समय बारिश नहीं होती है तो उस समय हम लोग इस वाटर का यूज करके और वाटर की स्केर्सिटी को हम मिटा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, टू सपोर्ट द वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम. आसपास में जो वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम है उसको भी हम सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी आल्सो मेंटेन आवर रिसोर्सेज बाय यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक. Now we discuss about the methods of rainwater harvesting. After the benefits of the rainwater harvesting, methods are listed here and I discuss one by one all the methods. First of all, rooftop rainwater harvesting, that already discussed. And next, by constructing a percolation tank inside the ground. Next, by constructing the semi-burial type dams. Next, by making the semicircular vents around the big trees. Next, by using ditch and furrows, we constructing some ditches and furrows. Furrows means नली टाइप में बना देते हैं हम लोग furrows. And next, surface runoff harvesting, जो पानी बहता रहता है बरसात का पानी, रेन का पानी, उसको हम लोग रोक के भी हार्वेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, बाय मेकिंग स्मॉल अर्थन डैम्स, छोटे छोटे अर्थन डैम्स बना करके, मिट्टी के डैम बना करके हम रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. Next, some modern methods include anicut, construction of anicuts, and watershed planning also include the rainwater harvesting. These all are help to use the rainwater for the different purposes in the villages as well as in the urban areas also.